Let's see. I'm gonna use somewhere around there. I'm gonna walk a little bit around and around that end. But I've already fallen in love with this environment. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but I just want to show you. Yeah, the environment looks good. Yeah, yeah, it's green. Yeah, absolutely green. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adventures with Rivoli. Today I'm on the streets of Rivoli again. We are on Easter break today, so I'm kind of having a stroll here, a little bit of walk to see exactly like how the Easter break is going on here. So guys, we're still walking. Yeah, I'm still on the walking tour. Yeah, we're just trying to see like the street life of Easter here in the city of Rivoli. Yeah, actually it's like it looks a little bit bored. Yeah, it's kind of boring. Yeah, it's kind of boring around here. Looks boring. Yeah, because streets are wrongly and then I guess people are inside. Yeah, but let's keep walking to see if we're gonna see anything nice, and then yeah. So I guess I should be using somewhere. I guess I should be using this road. Yeah, I should be using this side. I should be using this side. So it's like, wow, I love that tree over there. I don't know if you can see it. Beautiful it looks. It's a very nice view, yeah. I don't know if you can see that tree, but right now I'm seeing a tree over there. Wait, I'm gonna get a little bit closer. You see it? Beautiful. Oh, it's like only few people out. Like, yeah, you can see some some families out, and then yeah, I'm sure the park should be so congested today. Yeah, because the weather itself is so good today. You can see it's sunny. You can see it, and which is really awesome. Yeah, because we are just from winter, and then it was such a very cold winter here. And we need the vitamin D anyway we need the vitamin D for our for a good health system. Yeah, look at that. Looks green, beautiful. It's like there are a lot of people around here. Yeah. So this is what I was actually expecting here. I was expecting like a kind of maybe a very lively weekend, but a very lively Easter break around here. Yeah, I've actually been expecting to see something lovely, something, yeah, because it's actually hard for you to see people around here. Like, if it's not, I mean, holidays like these, people are always busy. Yeah, even in the weekend, it's very hard for you to come around and find people like this. Yeah, maybe in the summertime. Yeah, but in the summertime also, mostly in the beach. Yeah, if you go to the beach, have a very nice life summertime here. Very nice life summertime. Yeah, go to the beach, join up yourself, and yeah, that's awesome. Wow, look at this. Look at these flowers. They look good. Beautiful flowers. So guys, this is what you know, I actually expected to see. Yeah, a very lively day. People out with their dogs. Yeah, having a nice walk, stroll. Yeah, and families all together. It's lovely. Yeah, it's actually hard to find this here, to be honest. Here, so let's see. I'm gonna use somewhere around there. I'm gonna walk a little bit around that end, but I've already fallen in love with this environment. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but I just want to show you. Yeah, the environment looks good. Yeah, it's green. Yeah, absolutely green. So I don't know. Look how lovely that looks like. Yeah, people enjoying with their family. Maybe I took a very wrong route. I should be taking somewhere around here. Yeah, I think there is a gate here. Yeah, there is a gate here. Wow, wow, guys, look how amazing this look like. Oh my goodness, can you see these? Absolutely green. Wow, I can feel nature. I can absolutely feel nature. Look. Yeah, just to remind you that it's Adventures with Rivoli. Yeah, kindly subscribe to my channel, and let's keep on exploring